So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable autosave chats on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section, and after that you guys can be able to see this option right here which is called my account. Now just select this option to get on the profile page. Now on your left guys, you guys can see this list of options. Now just select one of these options, and that is this settings option. After getting on the settings page guys, you need to select this third option which is called in meeting basic. So guys, after getting in the section of in meeting basic, you guys will need to scroll down a little bit and then you can see this option right here which is called auto saving chats. Now just switch off this button right here. And now guys, you have successfully disabled autosave chats on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to deactivate autosave chats option on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.